Hello, it's Glenda, and today I have an unboxing from Nature's Garden. And let's see what I got. So I got some tin cans because these are to put some lotion bars in them. I'm gonna try them out to see how they work. I bought some vanilla white color stabilizer. Theirs is the one that has worked the best for me, even better than the DIY one I made. Then I got two fragrances. One is Golden Milk and Honey, because I wanted to buy the oatmeal milk and honey, but that one is no longer safe under the new IFRA guidelines in the percentage that I prefer to use it in soaps. And this one, it showed that it was. I don't know if it's because they haven't updated it, but so far it shows it to be safe at 5%. Some people said it smelled like butterscotch in the reviews. And I agree with those people. It does smell a bit like caramel, but it's pleasant. And this one is 1,000 Dreams. I bought it because it was in their bestsellers. It's nice. I don't know how the 1,000 Dreams or 1,000 whatever is supposed to be a type, I think, of another famous scent. So I don't know how the other scent smells to tell you whether it's a true comparison or not. This one smells nice. It smells kind of like a lotion from a famous retailer. So that's good. That's it. Bye.